So one of these is about 3 million US dollars. Yeah, at that price, it's well worth taking the extra bit of care because you don't want to be responsible for scratching one of these. Hey, my name's Ruben and I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer. In the most basic sense, I just fix the helicopters. The general day-to-day tasks are you have all your repetitive scheduled maintenance. Every so many flight hours, you have to change a component or look at something. And then you have unscheduled stuff. So if something happens to break down, you also have modifications. You can choose to have different systems installed in your aircraft. I'm just about to start a new maintenance job on this aircraft behind me. This is my work pack here, and it contains pretty much everything that I'm going to need to know and do to get the job done. For this job here, it's preservation, it's going into storage. First step I'm going to do is preserve the outside of the engine with a anti-corrosion fluid. I chose a career as an aircraft maintenance engineer just because it's something I find really fascinating and I enjoy the precision behind the work. To be a good engineer, you need to have that patience and the eye for detail. So if something goes wrong, you don't have the opportunity to just pull over to the side of the road and call AA like you do in your car. When I was in high school, the careers supervisor set me up at my local airfield and maintenance facility there. Spent 1 day a week there for the whole year. They were like, we suggest you go on this course, and I did the Level 4 Certificate in Aeronautical Engineering, which is a 2-year course. After that, I started my job here and did 3 years as an apprentice. I came out as an aircraft maintenance engineer or an unlicensed tradesman. The next step after that is to become a licensed tradesman. So I'm currently working my way through the exams. The licensed engineer is the one who gets to make the final call and sign an aircraft out for service. One of the best bits of it is you get to go on test flights around the city. Nothing better than Friday afternoon, doing a lap of the city, seeing what's happening downtown. You can never complain about that.